Hello again, everybody. Tom Z singing Elvis again. Here's a song from the movie It Happened at the World's Fair. It's called I'm Falling in Love Tonight. I'm falling in love tonight. Somehow I know the beautiful world tonight is sharing its glow. When love let me down before, I said I was through, but I'm falling in love tonight with you. Till you walked by, I left and played the game. One last kiss, then goodbye, and out went the flame. But somehow you changed me, dear. This time it's